Hola mis amores, this is Massive with my Sparkle DIYs. Today I'm going to share with you guys 5 new Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs. The first project, I got these wooden tags from Dollar Tree. This beautiful crafting paper is from Michael's. I'm going to go ahead and trace the tag on the back to then cut it. I glued the paper to the tag using Mod Podge. Sanded all the edges to get a clean finish. Then painted the other tag white front and back. Once the paint dry, I sanded all around to show some of the wood in both tags. With a black marker, I outline all around the tags. I found these Christmas stickers at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I'll be using the Merry and the Christmas words. Once that was done, I cut a piece of a ribbon I already had to glue it in the bottom center of the tag. Then using the same ribbon, I'm going to make a bow and glue it to the side.
Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
The super cute stamp from Hobby Lobby already comes with the red ink. I didn't press it too hard because I want it to be a little bit faded. And now it's time to glue the tags together. I use hot glue and wood glue. To create the hanger, I wanted to use wood beads. You can use the colorful ones from Dollar Tree and just paint them. But I found this 12 feet beads garland for only $6 at Walmart, and to me that's an amazing deal. I cut a piece, and to secure the beads in place, I added glue at the ends inside the last beads, then glue it to the back of the sign.
Snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere.
For the second DIY, I got these craft sticks from Dollar Tree. To make the sticks longer, I glued 2 sticks together to make one.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Once I had my 3 longer pieces, I glued 2 together, making an X, then 1 in the center of the X horizontally. To complete the star shape, glue 2 sticks together in a V shape, going all around, just like I'm doing here.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I then painted front and back of the star white. I glued the first stem in the center with hot glue. For the rest of the stems, I cut them with the wire cutter, then I glue them with the hot glue.
Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see See the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
On the back of the star, I added fairy lights. I secure them with clear tape. You can add your lights in the front, or in the back, or in both. It's up to you.
This city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you wonder.
Even though this is going to be the back of the sign now, I remove the paper.
We only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
I then gave 2 coats of white paint to what's going to be the front of the sign.
Love it when it's me.
Once the paint dried, I sanded the sign to give it a distressed look. I've used these Dollar Tree stickers in lots of DIYs, that's why they have so many letters missing.
You know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night.
Since I don't have a long ruler, I had to improvise with the letter stickers paper to make the banner. First, draw a line, then another one below. Close both lines to create a rectangle shape.
Let's get out, we can leave this city.
Now, 2 lines on each side, a little bit lower than the rectangle line. Then 2 other lines below. After that, put a dot in between the 2 new lines to create a V shape on the tails. To create the folded look, make 2 little triangles, one on each side, just like you see me doing here. Using the same set of stickers from DIY number 1, I put a reindeer between the words and December 25th on the bottom. I wrote old-fashioned on paper, then sketched the back with pencil so when I trace the words, the letters transfer to the sign. I then went on top with a black permanent marker and I did the same to the banner. The red paint I'm using to paint the stripes is also from Dollar Tree.
For every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to
Sanded the sign to distress it, and I also sanded the sticker letters, being very careful. On the side, I glue little stems upside down, then a bow on top.
outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
On the back of my sled there was 4 little spikes. I won't be removing them since I'll be putting the pieces back together with this side up, but if you are using the other side, just be careful. Once the paint dried, I distressed the sign with the sandpaper.
Beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe's baby with you. I don't need
Found this peel and stick pre-cut vinyl at Target for only $1.
to stay with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe's baby with you. Ooh. I'm making
Then stain the sticks with wood stain and also 4 little blocks from Dollar Tree.
be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you.
Painted the top piece black.
Close, you know this.
To put everything back together, first I glue the 4 little blocks, then glue the sign on top.
Moonlight till we reach a place we
Once that was done, I dry brushed the sign with just a little bit of white paint, then glued 2 little extra blocks that I painted black, then the top piece.
drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a
For the top, I glue some stems and a bow, and for the hanger, another piece of the beads garland I show you guys on DIY number 1.
mistletoes, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoes, baby, with you. Ooh.
To make the adorable snowman, I got the vases at Dollar Tree. Went ahead and painted the vases white. You can also use spray paint.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me.
Once that was done, I made the little colors with the same beads garland from the previous DIYs.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
I added glue to the back of the top of the tag and glue it to the beads. To make the little eyes, I'm using this black marker, and for the nose, you can use any color you want. I'm using this metallic one from Dollar Tree.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below which DIY was your favorite today. Big hugs and happy crafting. See you soon. Bye!